everybody, welcome back to Slay Monday. Sorry guys, I was having technical difficulties yesterday, but we're here. So yeah, I wanted to film myself getting ready Saturday night. I went to an after party after the Raul Alejandro concert here in Charlotte. I was not able to go to the actual concert, but I was like, let's check out this little after party for a cute moment. And since his album, kind of the theming, it's very like silver chrome, like alien outer space kind of vibes. So that is what inspired this look. I wanted to give a nice chrome type moment. So I'm starting off, I'm using my Beauty Bay Book of Magic palette. I haven't dipped into her in a little minute, but this was the first palette that made me fall in love with Beauty Bay. A lovely 2020 quarantine purchase. But I'm starting off with that black shade called Hex in the palette because it's definitely one of the best blacks that I own. And I'm just putting that all over the lid. The only thing that can be a little dangerous about putting on black eyeshadow after you've already done your base, sometimes there's a little bit of fallout. So I was dealing with some of that and had to patch that up right quick. But it's okay, we move. Just put some more concealer and powder, all of that on top of it, and it's like it didn't even happen. So now I'm just taking the black again, and I'm putting that on my lower lash line because you really cannot do, I feel like, a smoky, if you're gonna have black in your look, it's hard to not also put that on the lower lash line to tie it together, And again, because I kind of had to zhuzh up my face again, I am going back in with the highlighter that I used. It's Fenty Beauty. It's like that diamond one. There aren't many occasions where I can wear that one because it's so silver and everything, but it was perfect for this event. So yeah, that's what I used for the highlighter. And now I'm going back into the eyeshadow palette and I'm going in with that really pretty shimmer shade, the silver, and I'm literally just taking my finger and applying that basically all over the lid for the most part. I kind of, I guess, left a little bit of the outer edge, but for the most part I'm covering my eye because I really wanted the black to be a base for the silver. Next, I'm going into my ColourPop Blow and Smoke palette, a strictly black smoky eye dream of a palette. And I'm going in with that very middle shimmer shade. It's I think the brightest one in the palette. And that is what I placed. That is what I placed on my inner corner because it's just a little bit brighter than the shimmer that I use for my Beauty Bay palette. So I still wanted something that had that brightening effect. So that's why I went in with that shade in the different palette. And yes, the eyeliner, mascara, lashes have all been applied off camera. I used those cherry blossom ones again from the beauty supply store. I'm obsessed with them. I had to adjust it a little bit. It felt like it was bothering my eye. But I am using my eyeliner pencil for my lip liner since it is black. And for the actual lip, I'm going in with my Wet n Wild Liquid Cat Suit. This is really the only black liquid lip I own. I need to replenish it at some point because I've had this for years. But, it does the job and I don't wear a black lip often. So, it does what it needs to do. So anyway, I'm going with that. And then the true star of the show, because I wanted everything to be very chrome, okay, for the look. So what I decided to do, I decided to go back in with that silver shade from my Beauty Bay palette, and I just took my finger again and I basically just like lightly dusted that all over my lip. And that was giving the effect that I wanted. I was happy with that choice. I basically took the technique that I did with my eyes and applied that to the lips as well. I wanted the black to be the base for the silver. Now to make sure it lasts through the sweaty club, I had to set, and I pulled out my kimchi setting spray again this time. And yeah, setting the face, and this is the final look. I was really pleased with how this turned out. It was giving very alien, very chrome. I felt like I fit the theme very nicely. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look. And maybe this will give you some ideas of what to do for maybe a rave or something like that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see y'all next week. Bye.